Hello, today I'm making a veggie risotto or veggie with rice actually, and I did already the onions and garlic, and now I'm adding bell peppers, and I'm going to saute them, and then next is going to be our zucchini. Everything is organic. So now I'm adding the zucchini diced, and we're going to saute this for like 10 minutes or so as well. So I blended 2 medium tomatoes, and then saute this for a little while, like 5 minutes, and then we're going to add the rice, and the rice is organic as well, brown rice. So this is the rice I'm using, organic. It's really good rice. I mean, I do trust the brand. I'm not advertising the brand, by the way. It's hard to find good organic product that we trust that is organic. So we're gonna work the rice a little bit, like saute it together with the veggies. And then when there's no more water, we'll just add some water and let it cook for a good 15 minutes. Okay. So I'm adding the salt, like a tablespoon of salt. Oregano. I love oregano. I always use, you can use as much as you want. I mean, you know, within the reason. Salt, pepper, and dry parsley. And voila. So we're going to put some water in it, like a cup of water, and let it cook for 15 minutes. The veggie risotto is ready. Looks delicious, and I hope you guys give it a try. And please follow us on YouTube at Almas Healthy Cooking. Thank you.